Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel where we are all about creating beautiful spaces that are both environmentally friendly and chic. Today we have something special in store for you, a collection of elegance and eco-friendly DIY home decor ideas. These projects will not only add a touch of sophistication to your living spaces but also contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. So let's dive right in. One of the easiest way to add a touch of elegance to your home is by upcycling vintage picture frames. Visit your local thrift store or flea market and look for unique frames with intricate designs. Bring them home, give them a fresh coat of eco-friendly paint, and voila, you have a beautiful piece of wall art that not only looks stunning but also reduces waste by giving old items a new purpose. Terrariums are a wonderful addition to any room and they are surprisingly easy to make. Use glass containers or jars and layer them with eco-friendly materials like pebbles, activated charcoal, and organic potting soil. Plant some low-maintenance succulents or air plants and you will have a charming glow water decor pieces that bring nature indoors. Upgrade your home decor with natural fiber textiles like jute, hemp, or organic cotton. Create beautiful table runners, placemats, or even pillow covers with these sustainable materials. Not only do they add an elegant touch, but they also are biodegradable and better for environment than synthetic fibers. Don't throw away those glass bottles. Instead, transform them into the stunning vases. Clean and remove any labels from the old glass bottles and then paint them with eco-friendly paint in your favorite colors. These vases will add a unique and a sophisticated touch to any room while reducing waste and recycling materials. Then get creative with eco-friendly wall art by using recycled materials like old newspaper, magazines, or cardboard. Cut out interesting shapes or create intricate paper mosaics and then frame them with recycled or reclaimed wood. This DIY project not only looks impressive but also encourages you to repurpose materials that would otherwise end up in the landfill. Create your own eco-friendly candles using soy wax and natural essential oils for fragrance. You can even add dried flowers or herbs to add a touch of extra elegance. By making your candles, you avoid the harmful chemicals often found in conventional candles, making your home a healthier and more inviting space. Then create a beautiful nature inspired wall stencil using recycled cardboard or stencil sheets. Look for designs inspired by leaves, flowers, or geometric patterns found in nature. With some eco friendly paint and sponge brush, you can easily transform your walls into stunning nature inspired works of art. Now, at the last, give old wooden furniture a new lease on life by repurposing and refinishing them. Sand down the surface, repair any damages, and apply eco-friendly wooden stain or paint. Not only will you save money by upcycling, but you will also keep perfectly fine furniture out of landfills and reduce the demand of new resources. Decorating your home with elegance doesn't have to be wasteful or harmful to the environment. With these eco-friendly DIY home decor ideas, you can add a touch of sophistication while staying mindful of sustainability. Let's make our homes beautiful and environmentally friendly places to live in. If you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Thank you for joining us today and we will see you in the next video. Thank you.